everyone. Myself Mishka of class VC. Today I am here to tell you about my model and poster which are of rainwater harvesting. My model and poster are depicting about setting up a rain garden near your house or in your garden. A rain garden is a sunken landscape which uses native plants, local soil and mulch to remove pollutants from water and allows it to percolate into the ground. To set up a rain garden, you need to choose a site which is at least 10 feet far from your home. The slope should be accurate so that enough water keeps flowing into them. Dig out your garden area as the desired depth. Build a berm to hold in water. Fill the basin with soil and native plants 1 foot away from each other. Choose plants with deep roots so that they can absorb enough water and nutrients in them. Afterwards, take care of your garden properly. It's so easy to create, looks good all year round and has a positive impact on the environment.